Good evening and welcome to tonight's weather. Today has been hot and humid, as you probably would have noticed if you've been outside in the garden. Studio. Yes. You're having a nice time. Why are you whispering? Are we on air?
I've done my hair and makeup.
Have you done your hair and makeup? No.
At the end of that, we're going to go to a lovely, lovely weather presenter who I've known for many wonderful years. Joe. Joe is going to be waiting here. Have the microphone. This microphone is a little bit crunchy at the bottom, so just make sure you hold it solidly in the middle on the black.
Okay. Yep.
And we will have a little bit of weather coming up here. So can you point to where London or point to where Bristol is? Where is Bristol?
Stop moving, that's cheating.
It's moving around. And the thing that you don't have is you do not have a clicker to slow it down in any way.
Right, yeah. What have you done?
So yes.
Oh, that's really hard.
It's really hard because there's a slight delay on it as well. So you will have 1 minute's worth of weather that you're making up as you're going along. It's going all around the whole country, including Northern Ireland, Scotland, Wales. If you get Aberystwyth in, you may well win yourself a prize.
Okay, yeah, definitely.
Okay.
No idea where it is on the map.
No. Well, if you spot it, there is a prize awaiting you. When you get to this bit here, you've got 10 seconds. So one of us will be saying 10 seconds left, 9, 8. So you have to say, try and get those out. If not, we're going to the one show. 3, 2, 1. You need to have finished, said thank you, goodbye, waved, winked, whatever it is that you do as your sign off.
Right.
All right?
Yeah,
because we're going to the one show, whether you finished or not.
Okay.
Happy with that?
Yeah. Good evening and welcome to tonight's weather. Today has been hot and humid, as you probably would have noticed if you've been outside in the garden. Today's weather, you can see we have a patch of nasty rain coming in from the west, slipping eastwards over the countryside. If we just zoom into the southeast, nice temperatures over London, still nice over Bristol, but still this patch of rain coming in from the west, which will get to us later this evening, and temperatures dropping quite significantly in Aberystwyth tonight. And Northern Ireland as well, this band of rain passing over Northern Ireland, and we'll move into northern Scotland towards the end of the night. Very heavy thundery showers just there. Nice clear patches on the east of Scotland and down the eastern coast of the UK. So nice temperatures, and as you can see, Edinburgh and London, very warm in London at 30, and Belfast down to 21 with a bit of rain. Thank you and good night.
Well done, Jack.
Well, I think you're all quite naturals. We've obviously trained you well today. Being able to continue talking about the weather like that it was very good. Without hesitation, deviation, repetition. You got Aberystwyth in, you get a prize. I shall go and get.
I think we put it on the map.
Right.